Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris Hartman. I am a photographer based out of Regina, Saskatchewan, and I am also a high school teacher. And I work at a really cool school that combines English, which is what I teach, with cosmetology. Now, this is the best combination for a guy who likes photography because we design class projects together with the cosmetology teachers that I work with, and then we finish them off with a nice little photo shoot. So this is my classroom after a photo shoot. It is a disaster of a mess, and I'm about to clean it up, but I wanted to show my lighting setup before. For this project, they were doing roller sets. They're gonna have voluminous hair, and they hate roller sets because they think it's boring and they think it's for old ladies, but it actually produces really nice hair for them. So then I kind of sell them the idea of roller sets that we're going to have a very nice photo shoot for them to show off their work. I am sitting on a Westcott X-drop backdrop, and it is a 8x13, so I can stand on it quite well. Now here's my lighting setup. I have an FJ400 right here, and this is a Westcott 7-foot umbrella. I think this is just the white inside. It is just white inside, and the 7-foot diffusion. And I place this, it's a little less than 45-degree angle, and it illuminates the students, and it basically gets the entire backdrop in one. I have this fan from the secretaries in the office. I stole it from them. And if I have a willing participant of a student, they will kind of blow the fan on the student to fill up their hair a little bit better. The only problem is the girls will complain that it dries out their eyes. So I literally have some girls with tears in their eyes just because it's too much wind. So try to be kinder to them, and we just use this sparingly. So I have the Lindsay Adler Optical Spot, and I have the window in there. I kind of want the option. I want to do everything when I do these shoots, and I know that's not a reasonable expectation of how they go. If I try to do too much, the shoot will turn out poorly because I'm trying to do too much. So what I did with this shoot is I have these two set on two different channels, obviously, or two different groups. And for some of the shots, I'd have a student on the backdrop, and I'll say, okay, I'm going to take a couple of shots, and we're going to use the window light. So then I would just turn on that channel, and I'd take a couple of shots. And then I said, okay, well, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to turn the window off. And I would just click the button and take the exact same shot. And then we would have an option of shot with the window, shot without the window. So that was kind of a way in which I'm not having to move around. I just press a button and ask the kid to stay for a little bit longer. And I got more options in terms of the look. That's all I have for this video. I've taken two lights. I get two different looks. I run through about 15 different students in a session, and I edit about 2 to 3 photos for each student, and it goes into their portfolio. We're happy because they put a little extra effort into it. Thanks for watching. My name is Chris Hartman. I'm a Regina, Saskatchewan-based photographer. This is the first time watching my channel. I talk about photography, I talk about travel, I talk about everything in between those two things. And sometimes my day job blends into these videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a wonderful week. This is the disaster of a classroom I have after a week of shooting projects.